Day 13 of being a chef on a yacht. I woke up and went straight down to the hold to grab some frozen product. I have my menus planned 3 days in advance. This allows me to get frozen product every single day, make sure it's thawing in the fridge and ready to go when I need it. This job is 90% managing product and 10% cooking. My lettuce is thriving, so I did a little happy dance and made some scorching hot coffee. I served a fruit tray and some overnight oats for breakfast. Created my prep sheet for the day and then started boiling eggs to have them on hand. Then I started making a marinade for the steaks that I'm going to grill tonight, with some olive oil, spices, mustard, and maple syrup. I almost always use Ziploc baggies for marinating food and leftovers because it doesn't take up too much space in the fridge. I got a quick workout in on the Peloton upstairs and then started lunch. For lunch, I'm making a tomato basil soup with a nice big salad. The guests have requested to be off of carbs, so they won't get grilled cheese, but the crew will. My tomato soup is simmering, and now I'm chopping up lettuce for my salad. I always keep my salad super simple with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and seasoning it with salt and pepper. I garnish the salad with some hearts of palm, dried cranberries, and some pumpkin seeds. I top the soup with a basil pesto that I made from my beautiful, healthy, fresh basil plants, and lunch is served. After I served up the guests, I grilled up some grilled cheese for the crew, and then we sat for lunch. After lunch, I started dinner prep. I'm making a curried carrot mash, so I'll season it with olive oil, turmeric, garam masala, and ground ginger, and of course salt and pepper. I cut up my broccoli, and also cut up some bell peppers that I'll sear off in some olive oil. For cocktail hour, I made a fruit tray and sliced apples with almond butter. Since the guests want to stay away from carbs and sugar, I'm going to try my best to do a dessert. I'm making an avocado chocolate mousse. I know fruit is sugar, but the guests said they can have it, so don't come at me. Anyway, I put some cocoa powder and some artificial sweetener in there. We'll see how it turns out. Made my curried carrot mash and then grilled off my steaks. Cooked to a perfect medium rare. Set the table upstairs for dinner, plated up the meal, and dinner is served. The guests absolutely loved the dessert. Bye, little chef.